Tibia and fibula. The tibia is the weight-bearing bone of the leg, ending in the medial malleolus. The fibula is slender, non-weight-bearing, and forms the lateral malleolus. Foot bones. The foot has 26 bones, 7 tarsals including the calcaneus and talus, 5 metatarsals, and 14 phalanges, 2 in the big toe and 3 in all others. Important joints. The hip is a ball and socket joint. The knee is a hinge joint with menisci and cruciate ligaments. The ankle allows dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. Key nerves/arteries. Major nerves include the femoral, obturator, and the sciatic nerve, which divides into tibial and common peroneal. Important arteries are the femoral, popliteal, and tibial arteries. Quick exam points. Remember these exam points. Strongest bone, femur. Weight-bearing bone, tibia. Heel bone, calcaneus. Foot drop, common peroneal nerve injury.